Canadian moose during mating season. And now, a yak. Yak!
Peanut?
Yes, I have one right here. It's bulky, but I consider it carry-on.
Peanut.
Oh, I see.
If we can get back to business, Mr. Ventura, the Wachati are a peaceful tribe. Since their sacred animal has vanished, they believe that there is a curse fallen on their village. It all started some time ago. So, the daughter of the Wachati chief is said to wed the first son of the Wachutu tribe. And the sacred animal was offered as dowry for the marriage, but if it is not recovered, the result will be the merciless slaughter of the Wachatis. Mr. Ventura. Mr. Ventura.
There's someone on the way. Something. I'm sorry, what were you saying?
The daughter of the Wachati chief is said to wed the first son of the Wachutu tribe.